Hey everyone! Today, we'll walk you through how to use the ArchiveMaster plugin to easily unarchive and export your orders. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then Add New, and search for ArchiveMaster. Once you find it, click Install and Activate. After activation, you can archive your orders from the plugin if you haven't done it already. You can access your archived orders either from the ArchiveMaster option in the left menu or from the ArchiveMaster dashboard in the top navigation bar. Inside the Archived Orders section, from the drop-down, you'll see up to 500 orders listed at a time. You can either select specific orders to unarchive or click Unarchive All Orders to restore everything at once. If you want to export your archived orders, simply click the Export button and choose whether you want the export orders in ascending or descending order. You can export in JSON or XML format for free. If you want to export to CSV, you'll need to upgrade to the Pro version. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.